welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Tenisha, and mainly on my channel I do anything beauty related, whether it's hair, makeup, or fashion. I'm definitely your girl for that. But today's video is going to be a little bit different. If you follow me or if you haven't followed me, you know that I've been MIA on YouTube for like, I don't know, about 8 months or so. I have popped in and dropped about 3 videos over the last course of 8 months, but I really haven't been consistent. At the beginning of the year, when the year started, you know, new year, new me, all of that, I enrolled into school. I was thinking that that's what I wanted to do. I enrolled in school. I enrolled into a dual program. I enrolled into a program where I could be a natural hair care teacher and also an esthetician. For those of you that are new here, I am a licensed natural hair care specialist in the state of North Carolina. So I do braids, protective styles, sew-ins. I'm your girl for that, basically. But I also do makeup, and I have been building like a big clientele for makeup. And me personally, I just wanted to do things legally. I wanted to do things legit. I wanted to be, you know, I didn't want to be in any kind of trouble, getting fined, any of that. So I decided that I wanted to do makeup full time. So I was like, okay, cool. I'm going to enroll in school so I can be, you know, esthetician, so I can do maybe facials, waxing, microblading, that kind of thing. But then halfway through, I was like, this really isn't for me. And I felt like I just been everywhere. I felt like my mind is all over the place. Like, I want to do this, I want to do that, I want to do this. But really, I know exactly what I want to do in life. I want to be like a full-time content creator. And I know you're like, oh God, everybody does that. But I really want to be a full-time content creator. And I feel like the reason why that I haven't grown, you know, is because I was always worried about what people were saying, what people were going to think. Mainly my friends and, you know, my family. I was so concerned about what they thought about it. But then I was like, you know what? You got to do things for you. You got to stop putting other people before you. Because that is like probably one of my biggest flaws. My biggest flaw is I put everybody before me. And so it just became a point where I was like, you know what? You got to do things that you want to do. So about April, May, I ended up withdrawing from school. I did graduate and get my teacher license. So in the state of North Carolina, I am a licensed natural hair care specialist teacher.
Graduation. Tenisha Rohelia Smith has satisfactorily completed a course of study prescribed for graduation and therefore awarded a certificate for natural hair care specialist instructor training program. That's my dog. She gets an apple for instruction and personal attendance certificate.
All right, that's all right.
So I did that, but I also withdrew from the Esthetician Program because I don't know, I wasn't really happy. It wasn't what I really wanted. I bet, oh God, how do I even say this? I think the only reason that I was doing it was because other people wanted it for me. I feel like everybody was like, oh, you do hair, oh, you do makeup, you know, you can be big. But don't get me wrong, I do a great job doing hair and doing makeup, but I feel like I'm more than just hair and I'm more than just makeup. Like, I wanted to do something else. My ultimate goal would be to be a full-time entrepreneur, a full-time content creator. Like, that's my goal. And baby, let me tell you about the journey that I have been having. So basically, April, May, you know, I withdrew from school. So when June 1st hit, I was like, I'm about to take this content creation like full-time. Like, forget what everybody got to say. Forget what my dad got to say. Forget what my family got to say. Like, forget what my husband got to say. People are going to judge me regardless. But I felt like the only way that I'm going to truly be happy is to do exactly what I want to do. So June 1st, I was like, all right, day one, June 1st, I'm going to sit down. I'm going to, you know, figure out my content for the whole month of June. I'm going to start posting Instagram Reels. I'm going to start posting content. And I was like, am I going to do hair content or I'm going to do makeup content? I was like, I'm going to do cooking because those of you that know me, I love to eat, I love food, and like it's so many people out there who love food. So I was like, I'm gonna just post a video and see how it goes. I posted a video, it got like 30,000 views like within like 2 days, and I was like, oh, 30,000 may not be a lot for some, but for me 30,000 was a lot, because on my Instagram, on my personal Instagram page, I only had 500 followers at the beginning of June. So I posted that video. My second video is currently at 9 million views. I was like, okay, you done found your niche, you done found it, you know, cooking is where it's at. So for the month of June, I was just posting about maybe 3-4 days a week. I was on a schedule where I would come home from work, my full time, and I would sit down and I would just film. And it didn't even feel like a job. It was something that I really, really enjoyed. And so from June, the month of June, I ended the month of June with, I think, 39,000 followers. 39,000 followers. So for me, like, that was my sign from God that, you know, this is what I need to be doing. Like, I need to do it. Like, I always said I wanted to be a content creator, and like, I eat every day. I eat every day, like 3-4 times a day. So why not just film the process? So that's where I'm at right now. Right now, I am currently flourishing on Instagram. Like, I think as of this morning, I hit 49K. I hit 49K in less than 60 days. I know you're probably like, girl, how did you do that? Don't worry, I'm gonna film a video on how I did that. But basically, I just wanted to come on here and do a life update. I'm still married. Me and my husband have been together for 6 years. Hold on, let me correct that before he come on here and be all in my comments. Me and my husband have been married for 6 years, but we have been together for 12 years. And I have an 8-year-old son. His name is AJ. And basically, 2022, I have just been living my life. I have been not worrying about what other people had to say. And I couldn't be happier. Like, I could not be happier. So my advice to anybody out there who's like, they don't know what they want to do with their life, or they're worried about what their family's going to say or what their friends going to say. Like, I don't mean this in like a negative way, but like, forget them. Like, you need to honestly do what's best for you, because at the end of the day, all we have is ourselves. And if we're not happy with ourselves, then, I mean, what's life? I don't know. That sounds kind of crazy the way I'm saying it, but because like, I love my dad, I love my husband, but like, you can't live your life being what other people want you to be. And I feel like the reason I'm a hairstylist is because everybody was like, oh, you're so good at it. Oh, you're so good at it. Oh, the reason why I enrolled in esthetician school was because people were like, oh, you're so good at doing makeup. But at the end of the day, like, I am more than just hair. I am more than just makeup. I can't stress that enough. And me actually cooking on Instagram and then getting, 49,000 followers in 60 days, like, that was my confirmation that I need to do exactly what I want to do. So my life update is, I currently still do hair, I currently still do makeup, but I'm going to speak things into existence. I'm going to speak positive. Going into 2023, I know I still got about 5-6 more months left to go, but going into 2023, I would like to be a full-time content creator, and I feel like that is what makes me happy. I want to be a full-time food content creator, because your girl be eating. Like, I'll be cooking and I'll be eating. If you haven't already done so, head over to my Instagram and follow me. My Instagram is Tenisha Smith __. I have that link down below in the description box. Also check out my website. It's www.ibeeating.com, and basically I post all my recipes and stuff on there. And I know this channel is a beauty channel where I do hair and makeup, but baby, we about to bring some of the cooking content over to this channel. Don't get me wrong, I'm still gonna do hair and makeup because I still have a passion for it. But me, I want to be a food content creator. Like, that's my life update. That's what I have been doing. That's my goal. It may sound crazy to some, but this is the happiest that I've been in a while. And yeah, that's pretty much all I got for you guys. My life update. This is my life update. I'm still here. I'm still in North Carolina. I'm still doing hair, but a little bit has changed. I have been doing the food content, so hopefully you're ready for a new segment that I'm about to introduce to my channel called I'll Be Eating. So hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, wait, before you go. I already said this before, but go ahead and follow me on Instagram. And if you're not following me on YouTube or you're not subscribed to my channel, then go ahead and click that subscribe button and turn on that post notification so you never miss an upload. And baby, I'll see you in the next video.